Guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, as you can see, 240 is no longer in the garage. That's because it's outside. Parked it outside. Gotta do some work on my boy's bumper. Yeah, my boy destroyed his bumper trying to do a burnout. Text me same night, "Oh, Roddy, guess what's up?" And I was like, "What happened?" Ripped my bumper. So here I am, spraying a new bumper. Finally, after months of waiting. Yeah, other than that, like the 240, still runs, still out there, but I've been trying to get everything done, put everything together. Have some internet issues, and just trying to work on this, working on a lot of things right now, but trust me, everything will be coming soon as possible. In this video, I'm gonna be fooling around with this bumper, spraying it. I'm not a body guy. There's a whole history behind that as well. And yeah, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you what I've been doing. I did for the suspension. Did some brakes upgrade to 240. Basically washed it for the first time. You're gonna see something about this car that you literally was like, that this car really came back from the dead. Like it really seriously did came back from the dead. But check it out and like. I'm so proud of myself. But anyways, yeah. So let me know what you think, and that's it. I'm gonna be fooling around with this thing for a little bit. I'm gonna wash it down, water sand it, and prime it for today. All right. Tell me what you think. Just water sand it just now, but now I'm going over some key points, like where the exhaust sits, so where the exhaust sits, it heats up, and heats up, you're gonna have all that extra heat. Then I don't think it has those, but main points where you know that it's gonna have a lot of debris hitting, like in the wheel well area. All right, so let's give it a little time to dry. That is nice. So basically, you know, put a heavy coat on the body lines. See those little lines, body lines. Put a heavy coat on there. You know, get a heavy coat on there, on the lines, you know, those creases. So this way, whenever time I go to put the paint on it, the paint can stick into the creases and not peel up. You know, I see some cars peeling. You gotta prevent that from happening. But all this has to be sanded again, because you can see there's the rough surface. The rough surface right there. So we gotta basically sand that down again one more time, and should be good to go. So I hope you enjoy what you see, what you learn. What we got going on, 2:40. Gotta find the time, but yeah. Hope you like what you see. Please, oh man, bugs everywhere. Please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. So this way you can know when I post something new. And welcome to RadStreetDaily. Thank you for being a part of this, and see ya.